So one of the first things that we've got to do, like everything that we do at South Coast Wrapping, is we need to start taking the car apart. Ludicrous amounts of money. So yesterday it was washed, clay barred, and ready to be stripped. It's got crazy doors on it. They're going to be interesting. All the doors are carbon fibre, all the chassis is carbon fibre as well. But it's got some crazy pods and pockets and lines. Looking forward to seeing if we can do this panel in one piece. I think it's possible. But we won't know until we try. So yeah, let's get stripping. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Weekly videos on wrapping all types of different cars.
Just undoing all of the screws and clips on the front of this bumper. This was interesting. Clipped on mainly 2 screws. Took me forever to find the other one. And then this roof hatch, up, down, has to be up to get that rear panel off. And then I thought I'll try and take the Roadster badge off. That doesn't come off.
Need like a Torx bit wobbly. It's finally in a million pieces. It's taken a lot longer than I wanted to. It's actually quite complex to take apart, but we finally got there. So we're going to start wrapping this offside front wing, 3M matte silver. So we've got to put some knifeless tape on some areas, inside door shuts and things like that. So this is a full colour change, so we've got to go all the way in with the material. Again, the same on the wing and the doors and everything like that. So yeah, we're just going to start wiping it down. We will use, because it's a 3M product, we're going to use a 3M cleaner. Rub all over.
3M 2080. Do love a 3M 2080. Almost looks blue in this light. Definitely matte silver though. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. So we're just cutting out some material from the wheel arch. We can just save it. We don't always do that. A lot of the time I forget, to be honest with you. But if you can save material where possible, it's always a good idea. So we're just glassing the material out now. Getting all the wrinkles out so it's easier to squeegee down. You don't have to do it.
Green, orange. I'll go for an orange one today.
I'm running out of stock of these wrap gloves. Check out their website in the comments below. We love wrap glove. My opinion, are they the best? Who knows, but they are very good. So we're just working on the inside of the wing here. As it's a full colour change, it has to go all the way in so that when the bonnet is shut, you don't see a copper or an orange line through the body line of the vehicle. This bit was interesting, trying to get it in, door up, door down, under the screen. That bit of plastic trim doesn't come out, so working around it as best we could. And then trimming down the inside of the wing. More wiping the door down. And laying the material on.
So we've got the top of the material on, looking good. Stay tidy. like that. Doesn't like brown. It's supposed to be hotter than Ibiza today. I would just rather get a pina colada squeegee. Oh, all right, sorry, son. Let's see this one. Is this the hardest panel I've ever wrapped? Who knows?
Was it the hardest panel? It wasn't easy, but that race helmet that we did a few weeks ago, that was pretty up there.
Bland. It's not a spag bowl. Ridiculous.
Not too sure what that conversation was about.
Oh no! Got a crease. Look at that, I was expecting there to be quite a little tension in there.
Make sure it's straight. There we go. Are we going to throw it at the camera? Sort of. Just trimming up here as well. So against the edge of the vehicle, the knife isn't directly on the paint, it's just resting on top. There we go. Just sealing the edges, making sure the material is folded all the way around.
That is job completed.
Well, that panel was completed anyway. Yes, we did take that badge out before. They never come out that easy.
It's been clay barred, it's been wiped down, it's been wiped down, it's been wiped down. So much wiping. It's been wiped down like 50 times. This is my concentration face.
Need to have a shave. So we're just working with the design line, 3M design line tape. So we're just going around the black shape in the middle of the bonnet, and then we can wrap straight over the top and then pull the cotton material out from between the tape, which will cut the material. So there's a few different types of this tape. You can get design line, finish line, and I think there's one more as well. Precision line, all for different things.
It's pretty much square. Square. SpongeBob SquarePants. You following me? He's following me. It's like kind of creepy.
There he is. There's the cameraman, Ryan. He was the one who was following me. So, just working on the bonnet. Went down pretty quick. Trimmed up, all done. And this is what we were talking about, pulling the cotton out between the tape. And now we can pull the material out from the cut line, and we're left with the shape that we need. It's quite satisfying actually. It's not satisfying when you're putting the tape down. Just sealing the edge again. It's always good to heat the edge first and then push it down. Working on the corners, making sure they're folded around nicely.
I8 is all finished. 3M matte silver. If you're a fan of hybrid vehicles, remember to like and subscribe. If you're not a fan, then still like and subscribe, because we've got a C63 over there that we're doing. So 3M matte silver, all finished. Full wheel refurb as well, diamond cut. This video is more of a time-lapse type one. To be honest with you, I ran out of time trying to film everything and wrap cars and meet deadlines. It's actually quite hard, this YouTube thing. You've definitely got to be committed. But let's go for a walk round and we'll show you what we've done.